Hello everyone, welcome to Nagesh Karuzgi Orchid School. I am Pooja Rajmane. I am your computer teacher. What we discussed in last period? Yes, we discussed the parts of logo. We started our new chapter, Introduction to Logo, and in that we discussed the part of logo, title bar, menu bar, then graphics window, turtle, commander window. In that commander window having two parts, which are the recall list box and input box. What is the use of title bar? Yes, title bar display the name of program. Next one, menu bar. Menu bar having different menus. What is the use of graphic window? Graphics window, it is also called as a output, and how we are giving the input, the turtle will move on that. Means if we give the forward command, the turtle will go to the upper side or forward side also we can say. And where we are writing the inputs? Yes, in the input box. And if we press the first number line, and then afterwards for execution we must have to press the enter key or execute key. Then this first number line will go in a where recall list box. Okay, then we will see in this period primitives. What is the use of primitives and different primitives we will see here. What is meant by primitives? Primitives are the instructions or commands given to the screen of the commander window of MSW logo. Primitives means what? Primitives are the instructions or commands given on the screen of the commander window of MSW logo. The turtle on the graphics window moves around as per these instructions to draw or perform various functions. Turtle on the graphical window will move. It moves as per the instructions. Where we type the instructions? Yes, in the input box we are typing the instructions, or we can say primitives. Instructions also we can say, or primitives also we can say, or it having the various function. It means different primitives having the different uses. We will see this. The logo primitives, basic logo commands. The logo primitives means what? Basic logo commands. There are about 200 logo commands. How many commands are there? 200 commands are there, and it is not necessary to know all of them to draw in logo. We did not know the all commands at a time. The following commands are instructions are the first. You need to know to the get started. For starting, we does not need these 200 commands. If we know only this command, then also it is enough for drawing on the turtle. What is the first one command? Read everyone with me. Show turtle. Show turtle. And what is the shortcut of this? ST. From show S and from turtle T. ST. Now description. What is the use of show turtle? Show the turtle on the screen. When we type this command, then turtle we can see. Then we can see the turtle on the graphic window. Next one is hide turtle. Hide turtle. From hide H and from turtle T. H T. ST. What is the short form of hide turtle? HT. And what is the use of HT? Hide the turtle from the logo screen. If you doesn't want this turtle, we don't want this turtle on the logo screen, then by using HT command we can hide the turtle. Next one is forward number. Forward number. In that F D. FD. What is the use of FD? Move the turtle forward according to the number indicated. If we give the number, if you give the number 100, then this line will be drawn by 100 units. Next one is back number, means it will, what is the short form? BK. Move the turtle back according to the number indicated. FD means what? For going to the front side, forward side, and BK means what? Going to the back side. Next one is right angle. If you want to draw line to the right side, then RT command is useful. Which command? RT. Right angle means what? RT. What is the use of this command? RT. Change the direction of the turtle by turning it to the right. It is, if you want to draw a line to the right side, then turtle will move to the right side. If you want to move the turtle, then RT command is useful for move the turtle to the right side. Next one is left angle. What is the short form of left angle? LT. Change the direction of the turtle by turning it to the left side. If you want to draw the line to the left side, then we must have to move the turtle to the left side. Then LT command is very useful. Which command is very useful? LT. And last one primitive or command, clear screen. CS. Clear screen. What is the use of clear screen? Erases the picture before a new picture is drawn. Suppose we don't want any picture or what you write in a notebook, we don't want this, then by using eraser we can erase it and we can draw one new on that one single page. But eraser is there in logo? Yes, eraser is there. By using CS command, we can clear our screen. We can erase what we draw, and afterwards we can draw a new thing what we want, or new picture which we want. First one is a ST for show turtle, then HT for hide turtle, then FD going to the forward side, then BK going to the backward side. Next one is a RT. RT means move the turtle to the right side. Then LT. What is the use of LT? Move the turtle to the left side. And last one primitive is CS. CS means what? It erases the screen. Whatever we write on the screen, whatever we draw on the screen. It not clear a recall list box. It erases the recall list box. It erases the graphic window. What is the use of CS? For erasing the graphic window. And if you want to erase whatever we write in a recall list box, then CT command is useful. Which command is useful? CT. CT means what? Clear text. And CS means what? Clear screen. Clear? Now we will see first one command, FD, forward command. What is the use of FD command, forward command? The forward command of FD moves the turtle forward step by step. What is use of forward command? Move the turtle to the forward step by step. You need to write the number of steps that you want the turtle to move forward. If you want to go to front side only, then FD command is very useful. Then what is the step to write this? Step to give the forward command. How to give this forward command? Step to give the forward command. Type FD or forward. We can write short form also, or we can write instruction or full form. For what we have to write? FD. Then leave a single space. Where is the space bar? On the keyboard. Longest key on the keyboard is called as a space bar. Right? Then leave the space. Leave the single space only. Then enter the number of steps. Enter the number of steps. And then press the enter key. Why to press the enter key? Because for the execution we must have to press the enter key. When we write this, firstly we must have to write FD, then leave the one single space and then write the number. We can write any number. Which number line we want, we can draw this number line. We must have to write the numbers, and afterwards for execution we must have to press the enter key. We must have to press the enter key. Now we will do here practically. It is turtle. This full is graphics window, and where we have to write in the input box. You can see for writing we must have to press here, then we can see turtle is one cursor is here. What we have to write? FD. See here, FD, then space, one single space, then 100. And for the execution, what we have to write or what we want to enter? We have to press the key enter, or we can press also execute. For executing, we must have to press the enter key. What happened? This turtle will go to the upper side. This turtle will go to the which side? Upper side. And it draw the lines. It draw the one single line of 100 unit. Why? Because we given only number 100. We will write one more time. FD, then one single space. Then now we will write 200. And for the execute, we will press the enter key. Then what happened? Now turtle draw the 200 units line. Now turtle draw the 200 units line. Clear everyone? Now first command, what you write? FD 100. Then when we press the enter key, then first command where we see? In the recall list box. In next line we write the FD 200, and when we press the enter key, then where we can see this line now? Yes, we can see this line in a recall list box. Understand? Use of the recall list box, use of the input box, and use of the turtle. And for now we want to erase this all. Now we want to erase this all. Then which command is useful? CS, right? CS, and then press the enter key. Then turtle will come to the home position. Turtle will come to the home position. Clear everyone? FD. What is the use of FD? To move the turtle to the forward sides. points to remember. Which points we have to remember? The MSW logo command are not case sensitive. MSW is not case sensitive. What do you mean by case sensitive? Now we write FD in capital letter. Right? Now we write FD in capital letter. We can write this FD in small letter also. We can write this FD in small letter also. But space is very useful. If you not give space, then our command will not execute. It not give the correct output. You can type them in capital or small letter. We can write instruction or command in a capital or small letter. Always insert a space between a command and the number of steps. Command and number of steps we must have to give the space between that. But only how many space? Only single space. Always press the enter key or click on the execute button after you type the command. For execution we must have to press the enter key or we must have to press the execute button. Which point we must have to remember? First one, MSW logo is not a case sensitive. Means we can write instruction in small letter also or in capital letter also. But we must have to give space between the instruction and number of steps. Means what? Number which we want. Means if you want to write 100, 200, 300, 450, we can write any number. That number and these primitives we must have to give space between that. And for execution we must have to press the enter key or execute button. Till here clear everyone? Anyone having doubt? Now next one is error and mistakes. If sometime we write wrong, then where it display? If above point are ignored, this point if we ignore, then we must have to face the mistakes or error. How? If above point, if we ignore, the logo screen will display the message I don't know. If we know, then we can give the answer. Same like that, logo also is one of the software, and in that software space is important, this instruction is important, and number is also important, and after that enter key press is also very important, right? And if we not do anything from that, then it display the message I don't know. For example, if we type FD and 200 without giving any single space, then what output we will get? We will see here. For clear this, if you want to clear this also, then which command is useful? CT. Then you can see we call list also clear. Now we will write FD 100 without giving space continuously. FD 100. Then what it display? I don't know how to FD 100. I don't know. What it display? I don't know. Why it display like this message? Because we not given a space between this command and this number. FD 100, a message will flash on a screen where we can see this output. You cannot see this on graphics window. Where you can see this output you can see in a recall list box only. A message will flash on the screen. The children will observe the program does not accept commands with error or mistakes. If we not give space, if you not press enter key, then we can get output? No, we cannot get the output. So the points mentioned above have to be kept in the mind before giving the commands, or else you will not get the desired output. If you want to draw the line, for drawing line, which command is useful? FD, and then afterwards we have to write the number, right? But if you not give space, then we can write number, so we can write line? No, we cannot draw the line. Why? Because of we cannot give the correct input. If input is correct, then and then we will get the output is correct. Otherwise, we will not get the output in a correct way. Next command is write command. Next command is write command. Which command we discuss here? FD command. Now we will see RT command. RT means write. What is the long form of RT? Write command. Now we will see what is the use of RT command. The write command of RT primitives makes the turtle turn right. Turtle turn the right. This is in the clockwise direction. How it moves turtle? To the clockwise direction. To the clockwise direction. While turning, the turtle rotates but stay in the same position. Turtle only rotate. And if you want to dot one line on that direction, then which command we have to write? FD. But if you give only RT command, then turtle only rotate and on the same position. Turtle will not move. The number you specify after RT is the angle by which you want the turtle to rotate towards the right. How we are giving the number? After FD. Same like that, we must have to give the number after RT also. After RT also. And what is the use of RT? To move the turtle to the right side. But turtle only remain in the same position. Turtle will remain the same position. It stay the same position. It will not move to the forward or backward. It only turns. Now we will see how to write in MSW logo. What is the steps? Step to give the right command. Step to give the right command. How to give the right command? Type right or RT. We can write it is right or RT, and we can write this as a small letter also. Now leave a single space. How we are leaving space for the FD? Same like that, we must have to leave the space for the RT also. And then enter the number. Which direction? How many directions we have to turn to the right side? We have to mention this number, and then afterwards press the enter key. Then afterwards press the enter key. Suppose we write the RT90, then the turtle rotates by the angle of the 90 degree towards its right. Turtle will move to the 90 degree. Why? Because we give the number 90. We will see here RT, then give single space and then 100. We will write 90 RT, one single space and then 90. We can write 100, we can write 200. Then what will happen? See on that turtle. If I press the enter key, what will happen? The turtle moves its direction to the right side by which degree? How many degree? By 90 degree. Got it? What is the use of RT? Turtle will move its angle by 90 degree. We will do one more time. RT, then space, and we will write one more time 90 and then enter. Then what happen? Turtle moves its direction by 90 degree. Clear till here? What is the use of FD? For drawing line. What is the use of RT? Move the turtle to the right side by which number we are providing. By that number it is moving. Clear? Now we will see our next command. It is the left command. Next command, it is left command. What is the use of left command? The left command or LT primitives make the turtle to the left side, right? Left, that is the anti-clockwise. How RT command will move? To the clockwise, and LT means what? Turtle moves the direction to the anti-clockwise. Similar, the RT command, the number that you specify after the LT command is the angle by which you want the turtle to rotate towards the left. If you write the 90, then turtle will move to the 90 degree. Turtle will move to the 90 degree by right side. And if we press the LT command and afterwards when we press the number, then turtle will move to that numbers by the which side? Left side. Why? Because we are providing the LT command. We are giving the LT command. Now what is the steps to write the LT? Type the left or LT, then leave the space. Leaving the space is very important thing. If you not leave the space, then we cannot get the desired output. Then enter the number. Enter the number. Number is also very important thing. And then press the enter key. Why enter key? Because for the execution. For example, LT 45, we can give any number. Not only 45. We can give any number. The turtle rotates by its angle by 45 degree towards the left side. Towards the left side. We will see here practically. Firstly we will write CS. CS means what? Clear screen. And afterwards CT. CT means what? Clear the text. When we press the CS, the turtle will come to the home position. Turtle will come to the home position. Now which command we have to execute? LT. LT, then space, then we will write 45. Then what happened? You only see what will happen. The turtle moves its direction towards the left side. Towards the left side by 45 degree. Why 45? Because we provide the 45 degree angle. Because we provide the 45 degree angle. if we type the 50 degree, then turtle will move to the left side. Why left side? Because we write the LT. Then turtle will move to the left side by the we provided angle. Now what we discussed in that period? ST. ST means what? Show turtle. Then HT. HT means hide turtle. FD means go for forward. BK means come to the backward. RT means move the turtle to the right side. And LT means what? Move the turtle to the left side. And CS means clear the screen. And for each and everything, means if you want to write the FD, LT or RT, then what is the steps? Firstly write the what you want. Means if you want to write FD, if you want to write RT, or if you want to write LT. Firstly write this, then afterwards leave the space. Leave the space is very important thing. And then afterwards write the number, which number or which step we have to move the turtle. Write this number and then afterwards press the enter key. Now what is the homework for you? Read the lesson and underline the hard words. Remaining part we will see in next period. Till that time, take care. Thank you.